we're gonna make a splitter cable. So to mono to stereo. We have 3 plugs here. One's a stereo, so tapering sleeve, and 2 are mono. I got this kind of cable for this job. Wouldn't normally use something like this for what we're doing, but it will do for now. And what I of course do is, first of all, strip the cable. Then I'm gonna twist these, and this will be the ground wire. And I'm gonna do the stereo jack first. Twist them together, and as is usual, I will be pre-thinning everything, and I should be able to fit, hopefully, both of these cables through that. Yeah, there we go, so that works. And I have my soldering iron on, so let's get some solder. There we go. And then strip these little ones like that, like that. Let's pre-thin those, of course. There we go. And then you gotta remember to put this and this on. Don't forget that. You might. I do it all the time. And then you just have to do the soldering again. Alright, let's cut a little bit of that off. There we go. That should do it. And then let's put the white one on there. Twist it. Get that. Oh, I'm gonna cut that a little bit more. There we go. And then I'm not too worried about that. This is actually, for me, will be a temporary cable. Then that side is done. And then we go to the mono jacks. Let's split them up. Oh, there is one already over there. Yeah, so we good. There we go. Then, oh yeah, so I've been using these ones, and here's the one device you might need every now and then. I didn't in the end. It cleared out, but yeah, soldier sucker. I'll call it. There we go. And then let's put the ground on there. That's it. Snip. The other one. Now let's do this. Get those like that. And our cable is done. And lastly, we could take out our multimeter, which I'm gonna do, and test the cable. So this there we go. Everything's fine. It's connected as it should. So our cable is done and ready to be used. This ended up costing me probably under €4. So it's a good thing to learn how to solder, and everyone can say again, if you plan on setting up a home studio or anything like that, the easiest way to save money for other gear and whatnot is to make your own cables. So learn how to solder, do your own cables. All right, next time something else. Bye.